All right, one of the sponsors is General RV, and we have come over to check out the brand new Brinkley. If you like modern, come check out the Brinkley. Whoa! Nova and Ava, you guys could fit in there.
I wish
you act up.
I feel like these should.
Oh, have the powers in here.
Is it? This is nice. Like, ooh. This is nice. It's a model Z3100, I think.
Look, more storage.
Yeah, you probably put your generator in there. Ooh. All the way past through. Oh, here's all your stuff.
Here's the water.
Yep. Oh, electric leveling. Your dad would like that.
What is the electric level?
You know how your dad is pushing down the buttons to try to make sure the camper's level
Yeah.
and everything's even? That's what this does for you. It's automatic.
That's magic?
Oh, they got dry camping,
Oh, what is that?
city water, winterize. All these cool buttons. Your power. Ooh, look at the tires. Nice.
Whoa.
Cooper work tires. With windows.
Look at this.
Tempered
More
glass.
storage.
Hop in there, Nova.
Ooh, there's lights. Ouch. I want to get out.
That's okay. That's your timeout area.
That's child abuse.
Yeah, I like these windows.
Guess what, Mommy? You wrecked my clothes.
They're not wrecked.
You're wet. Wet.
It's just water, honey. It's just water. You want a hug?
No. Oh, can I have some mint?
Yeah, I like these windows.
Mint.
They say tempered glass. I don't know how
What's
good that is.
What's
Yeah.
tempered glass?
That means it won't shatter.
I need some
It's
help.
like specially made. Go to the bedroom first. Go to the right.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, Nova. Yep. Sorry. Thanks. All right.
The bathroom's so clean.
Look how modern that is. All right, hold on. Oh, look at all this room I have in here. It's big people approved. Look at the sink.
Two included, so here and one in the bedroom, yeah. There was a hookup for it, but it's not included.
Is she in the closet?
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Hello? I think I'm stuck in here.
Open her, let her out.
Yep, brand new.
No, who's here?
Yeah. This is
This
nice.
should be the timeout area.
This is your washer and dryer.
Mom, that should be the timeout area.
But
Girl, you gonna get
Yeah.
stuck like I did.
When this is not ours, so we can't play in it like it's ours. Yeah, this is nice. I wonder what that. I feel like, is it the other model that's bigger, maybe the 35?
Yeah, because this was not that big.
Oh, wait, is this a hidden compartment? Oh yes. All right, watch your
Put all your
fingers.
jewelry in here.
Well, I'm sure your dad has other ideas for things that go in there.
Oh.
Nice little protection goes in there. Little wall storage, that's cool. I like that it's on a slide.
and nighttime medicine.
All right, make sure when you walk past people, just say, excuse me.
I want to see the
All right. Oh, residential fridge.
Look at this. You can
That's pretty big.
Wait, we got this too. We got this too.
Oh,
We got this too.
So they're slowly starting to build it
Look at the pantry.
I'm looking at the refrigerator.
This is nice.
I love this refrigerator. Big.
But the only thing is, oh, look at this. Finally, not a booth dinette.
Look at this. We got this.
Real chairs.
We got this. Look. We got this.
And a phone
Yep.
charger with another hidden compartment.
It's a table, yep.
Yeah, the gate.
With another hidden
Like
compartment.
an ottoman.
And
Your
it's
dad would like that slide up TV.
You gotta see this.
another hidden compartment.
It's your server room.
What? Yeah. While you're eating, so you don't have to
And the
keep.
only reason I know that is because we saw it at the RV show.
Cool.
It is nice. Isn't that nice?
The screen and
I'm
everything.
taking it your thunder
you're
away.
good. As long as one of me. So you got the window. There's no screens.
But I got it.
But if you do open up the window like that,
This probably opens up
the
too.
bottom, now you got the screen to keep the bugs out.
Or does it?
But then you go to bed and pull that down, you got your night shade.
No.
Nice thing is you get
Ooh,
no
there's
balances or
another
anything
in
inside.
there.
There's
Screen behind the nightshade.
Yeah, this is nice.
Actually, no.
Okay, well, it just like it's not now. Okay, but it still keeps the bugs
Yeah, it's
out.
got this very small. I mean, the same size.
Yeah.
as we got there.
Yeah, it seemed like it would slide out.
The nice thing is you get if you can't where it's hot, you're gonna have air conditioner going.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
You got full panoramic views
This
everywhere.
is stuck in a
All
cabinet.
right.
Whoa.
You okay?
Yes.
All right. We're gonna come on out.
I'm not sitting on top of it.
You got your manual recline. You got
Go.
your car set up back to back as well.
Okay.
Yes, I like that too.
All right.
See, and I would do
David, did you see the pantry?
No, can that turn?
Oh, it locks on itself. Look at the pantry.
Okay, look at the pantry. You can store it back there.
It'll
I know, right? All right.
Wait, wait, everybody.
Coffee station
Like, I mean, our dog.
Let's
in
come.
the crock pot.
But the
Add on one for us.